Creating professional marketing videos has never been easier. Traditional methods are often expensive, time-consuming, and hard to scale. But what if you could turn a simple URL into a polished, high-performing video ad in just 1 minute? Meet JOGG AI, the best AI-powered video ad maker designed to revolutionize your content creation process.
First, start by entering your product or website URL. JOGG AI automatically analyzes your link, extracting key text and visuals to craft an eye-catching video ad, all in seconds. Next, customize your ad by selecting the perfect aspect ratio, video length, and target audience. Select an AI avatar and a template, and JOGG AI ensures perfect lip sync for a seamless experience. Easily generate multiple video ads at once with JOGG AI's batch mode. Create variations to test different styles, messages, and target audiences. Now click Render, and JOGG AI will deliver a high-quality, ready-to-use video ad optimized to captivate your audience and drive results. And here is performance.
Looking for the ultimate makeup kit? We've got you covered. Reason 1, it's an all-in-one solution for every beauty need. From eyeshadow to lip gloss, this kit has it all. Reason 2, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Create stunning looks effortlessly with high-quality...
Why choose JOGG AI? Save time with professional video ads in under a minute. Cut costs. No need for expensive equipment or teams. Scale effortlessly with A/B testing and multi-language support. Customize every detail with intuitive tools for full creative control. Stop wasting time. Create stunning video ads in 60 seconds and watch your engagement soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video.